had a meeting with the mayor regarding our grievances we had handed over to him this week. So he was very kind enough to give us an appointment, and was a very positive outcome. Now, we as residents of Sao Tome and Fontainhas have several issues that we put forward before the mayor. And the first issue was about that festival of Fest de Povo, which he agreed to, for the moment, cancel it.
Not for long, he has cancelled it.
Cancelled it, and not to have it. And he being the mayor of our place, he was definitely with the people of Fontainhas and Sao Tome. So we are very much grateful to him for this, what he has done. So also there are several issues which involve several bureaucrats. We go with a lot of sentiments that this has not to be done, that has. But he has told us the legal implications, and it involves several agencies, the collector, the police department, and various other agencies, revenue, and all those factors. So we will need to have another session among the members and come with a charter of things and solutions, where we'll have to present before him and sit before all these agencies, and then they will direct us as how they could go about it for a smooth and permanent solution to our issues. So
our main problems, the issue that we faced is the parking inside the residential areas. So what we have asked the mayor is that there should be a solution so that the tourist vehicles and all other vehicles which are not of the residents should be parked in some centralized area, which the mayor has agreed, and he says he will definitely look into it. The other issue was regarding the signages and other boards which are giving a wrong direction, and people are not able to understand what those boards are. So he's going to have a review of those boards as well. The sanitation part, because the tourists do not have anything, no slabs, nothing within the Sao Tome and Fontainhas area. So what we suggest is that there is a project of the smart city which is coming just across the Ore Creek, and some solar arrangements could be provided on that side, so that tourists who are getting into this area of Sao Tome and Fontainhas have something before they, or whenever they want to use it, they can go across and use it. So these are a few things that we have discussed. The other thing that has been discussed is about roving carts and some fruit vendors and all that who are stationed inside our area, which is not a good thing to have. Plus, there is some other antisocial elements who are seen there from morning till night every day. So we have discussed that as well, and he has promised that he will see that some action is taken. And probably, if law permits, and they may appoint wardens for the ward, which will take care of all these issues. Anyway, we have, as my colleague has said, we are having another meeting very soon with all the departments, concerned departments, with these issues, and we'll come to some way to sort out. And Mayor has been very helpful in listening to our grievances and agreeing find a solution. Thank you very much.
No, there has to be a regulated system where you don't overburden the infrastructure of the area, and there should be also timing for these tourists. They come in, especially our area has more of senior citizens, and especially during the siesta time, we all Goans are used to our afternoon siesta. So that is the time when they don't respect the sentiments of the residents. It is more of a residential area, and business activities are always there. Wherever there is tourism, there is always this type of activities take place. But we also travel abroad, we also go to other places, but we don't behave like that. We respect the sentiments of other people, other places. So we expect the same from them. They should respect the sentiments of the people of the area, knowing it is a conserved and heritage area. There is a certain amount of decorum and discipline involved. So that is what we want.
One major thing that the mayor has helped the residents, is to cancel the festival, the festival of fetch the Pope, by what name that goes. So that is one assurance he has given to us, and that is, we are very thankful that he has helped us with that.
One more thing is that you have spoken about traffic.
Yes.
Then what happens to your restaurants and all those?
No,
You
no.
want them to park power?
Yes, we want them to park, because anywhere in the world, you can't go to a restaurant and park your vehicles close to the restaurant. So you have a centralized parking. We have suggested to the mayor a centralized parking at Pato, and that we have got footbridges coming into this area, so they can use those footbridges.
What happens to those restaurants where the specially kept this parking space for the people?
Nobody has kept parking space.
No one has kept parking
You can't
space.
keep parking
Now the
space.
question is, we have to come to some way of working out. The residents, the establishments who are there, they also need for their personal parking. They require spaces. So all that we will work. The authorities will have to sit, and we will come with some plan. What Mayor said, that we should work something and present to him again in detail. We are doing that.
Best is to have a centralized parking, and then you have these buggy systems that come within the city. Whether it's for the casino employees or casinos, you park in a centralized place, and then you have the small buggies that you have that travel from one point to the other and move within the city. So that would be, I think, ease the congestion.
The whole idea is to have a solution to all this problem. The citizens, the residents are really disturbed with what is happening. So this is our purpose of meeting, is to find a solution to all the problems.